Hello. In this video, my little robot will self-drive itself to explore my place, create a map, and go to various destinations using that map. My robot uses a LiDAR distance sensor to sense obstacles, create maps, self-drive, and interact with objects. In my previous videos, I set up my robot's Arduino firmware, robotics software, assembled the robot, brought it up, and connected my robot to Wi-Fi in my local PC. I also created a map of my place by driving my robot manually. Please watch those videos to learn more. Let's start by preparing your place for self-driving. This robot cannot detect some types of obstacles, including low-profile objects on the floor. Also, this robot might get stuck on thick carpet and high thresholds. Let's remove or block those obstacles. Next, let's launch the robotics software. Open 3 Windows command shells. Launch the Docker image and click the Help link to open the robot command reference. Launch 2 Bash terminals. Launch communication with your robot. Turn your robot on and place it on the floor. Your robot should connect to Wi-Fi and your local PC momentarily. Launch the mapping, navigation, and visualization software. Launch the exploration software and watch your robot explore your place automatically. Once the exploration completes, stop the exploration software and save your newly created map. Let's use your current map to go places. Click the Nav2 toolbar button. Click a location on the map where you want your robot to go. Drag the mouse pointer to set your robot's desired orientation. Release the mouse button and watch your robot self-drive. Stop and restart the mapping and navigation software. This time, let's load the saved map instead of creating a new one. Help your robot determine its current position. Click the 2D Pose Estimate toolbar button. Click the location of your robot on the map and drag your mouse in the direction your robot is facing. Release the mouse button. Your robot is ready for self-driving. Give your robot a destination to go and watch your robot self-drive while avoiding obstacles. Check the panel on the left to see your robot's navigation status details. Once finished, stop all tasks and exit the shell in the top command window to shut down the robotics software on your PC.